Most diesel owners have no idea they are destroying their engine every single morning, and they do it before they even leave the driveway. Studies show that more than 70% of all diesel engine wear occurs during those first moments after startup. In that critical window, before your engine reaches its normal operating temperature, those few minutes after you turn the key are quietly deciding whether your engine survives to 80,000 miles or pushes past 300,000. That is not a small difference, and the cause is simpler than you think. Most diesel owners believe starting their truck is straightforward. You climb in, turn the key, hear that engine fire up, and pull out onto the road. Some folks do not even pause long enough for the glow plug light to go out. The engine started, so everything must be fine, right? That assumption is one of the most expensive mistakes a diesel owner can make. When you drive off immediately after a cold start, you are demanding full performance from an engine that has absolutely nothing ready for it. Think about it this way. Asking your engine to work hard from a cold start is like asking a runner to sprint full speed before doing a single stretch. The body is not ready, and something is going to break down before it's time. Here is exactly what is happening inside that engine when you make this mistake. When your diesel sits overnight, or even for just a few hours, the oil drains down and settles at the bottom of the pan. Your bearings, pistons, oil pump, and every other moving metal component are sitting there with almost no lubrication at all. The instant you fire it up and drive away, those metal surfaces begin grinding against each other. That grinding produces microscopic metal particles that contaminate your oil and spread damage throughout the entire engine. Every mile driven in that condition accelerates wear that you will not see coming until you are handed a repair bill that really hurts. And it does not stop there. Diesel engines operate on compression ignition, meaning they naturally produce far more internal heat and pressure than a gasoline engine. When you force cold, thick oil through that system while demanding hard performance at the same time, you create conditions that destroy components gradually and silently. You will not notice anything is wrong until the damage is already severe. There is another piece to this that most people never consider. Diesel fuel contains paraffin wax, which under normal temperatures helps with lubrication and combustion. But when temperatures drop, that wax begins to crystallize, and the fuel thickens up, becoming sluggish and slow-moving. When you cold start your engine and immediately get on the throttle, your fuel pump is being asked to push that thick fuel through tiny injector openings at very high pressure. That puts serious strain on the pump, risks damaging your injectors, and causes poor combustion that leaves carbon deposits building up throughout the engine. Your truck's computer will try to compensate by adjusting fuel mixtures and timing, but it is working against physics when the engine has not properly warmed up. So what is the right way to start your diesel? The good news is that doing it correctly costs nothing but a little time. Begin by waiting for the glow plug light to go out completely before you crank the engine. Depending on outside temperature and your specific vehicle, that takes anywhere from a few seconds to about 15 seconds. Once the engine starts, let it idle for at least 30 to 60 seconds. In cold weather, give it even longer. When you pull out and begin driving, take it easy for the first few miles. Keep your RPMs below 500 and avoid hard acceleration until the temperature gauge reaches its normal operating range, which typically happens within 5 to 10 minutes of relaxed driving. That simple habit is all it takes. Following that routine will add real years to your engine's life. You will see better fuel economy, smoother operation, and far fewer repair bills. There are diesel engines rolling past 400,000 miles that still run clean because their owners treated startup seriously from the very beginning. And there are engines that never reached 100,000 miles due to nothing more than poor cold start habits repeated every single day. Your diesel is a major investment. Whether it powers a pickup, an SUV, or a work truck, spending an extra minute or two during startup is the simplest thing you can do to protect that engine and keep it running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. If this video helped you out, please like it and pass it along to another diesel owner who needs to hear this today.